Are you looking to connect printer to mobile phones? Here is the step-by-step solution. How to connect printer to mobile phone. Method 1. Connect printer to mobile using Wi-Fi recommended. Step 1. Turn on your printer and make sure it supports Wi-Fi. Step 2. Connect your printer and mobile phone to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Open Google Play Store, App Store, download your printer's official app. HP Smart. Canon Print. Epson iPrint. Step 4. Open the app, tap Add Printer Setup Printer. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions to complete setup. Step 6. Select any photo or document, tap Print. Printer successfully connected to mobile. Method 2. Connect printer to mobile using USB cable OTG. Step 1. Connect printer to mobile using USB cable plus OTG adapter. Step 2. Install Printer Share or Mopria print service. Step 3. Open the app. Select USB printer. Step 4. Choose document or photo print. Best for printers without Wi-Fi. Method 3. Connect printer to iPhone AirPrint. Step 1. Make sure printer supports AirPrint. Step 2. Connect iPhone and printer to same Wi-Fi. Step 3. Open photo/document, tap Share. Step 4. Select printer, choose printer print. iPhone printing done. Extra tips mentioned in video. Always update printer firmware. Use original printer apps. Keep printer and phone on same network. Restart printer if not detected. If you like video, please hit the like button and share with printer user.